Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I won't be showing you any trading view indicator strategy. Today I'll be showing you my personal MT4 indicator strategy which I have been using for quite some months, and I use this indicator strategy for growing my personal account and funded accounts. So without wasting any further time, I'll just show you, like, this is the gold 15-minute time frame chart and it is a naked chart. So with the indicator strategy, this is a live market by the way. So you could have caught this move towards the downside, this move towards the upside, this move towards the downside, and I'll be just showing you the strategy, the indicators and everything what you guys need to know. So this is the indicator. So it is a combination of several things. So the first thing is the market structure fractals. There's a change of character, break of structure, equal highs, equal lows, and also premium and discount zones. And it also has a bearish order block, a bullish order block. So all these things, are present in the indicator strategy. So as I told you in my previous video, that do not use indicator on their own. Use them along with price action and market structure because it will help you, increase your profitability in your, in your account, and it is good for the long run. So this indicator strategy focuses on everything. So apart from the market structure and, you know, the price action factors, we have these two purple lines. These are known as channel bands. So these channel bands help us knowing, like, till what point the market will extend to. So and it also helps us in taking entries. As you can see that we have a signal over here below the channel band or near the channel band or on the channel band, and we have a signal in between the channel bands. So this signal won't be, so strong. This signal will be much stronger, and which signals to take and which not to take, I will let you know. And then apart from the channel bands, we have these diamonds. So these diamonds are basically buy and sell signals. These do not repaint. As you can see, there's one, two, three sell signals. If it had repainted, so only one signal would have appeared. But as you can see, one, two, three, one, two, three, four. Okay, and I'll be telling you which signal you can rely on, and you do not have to worry as the stop loss is very tight and the target is quite good. And apart from the buy and sell signals, we have some confirmation indicators. As you can see, this indicator over here, this is a transform indicator. This is not a MACD, guys. It is not just any histogram. It is a transform histogram which is based on volume and, the range of the market. So this helps in, giving us the first confirmation of taking the buy trade or the sell trade. And then so the buy and sell signals can be confirmed by this. This is the first confirmation. The second indicator is just an RSI divergence, which I personally use. I like it a lot. You can use any other indicator like MACD or stochastic, whatever suits you. So I use the RSI. I keep a 50 line, and I just see that if the RSI line crosses the 50 line, in whatever direction I take the trade. Okay, as a second confirmation. The third confirmation indicator is a momentum indicator. For example, if you can see, like, there have been sell signals appearing on this, but I would not take any sell signal because it would have been very risky. And the momentum also told me that the market has a positive range or a positive sentiment, so it would be a foolish step to take any sell trades. So we should focus more on the buy trades. We can add a 200 EMA, but it is not required as much. But you can do that, as I know that a lot of people rely on the 200 EMA, including myself. So this is the indicator which I've been using. So this indicator can be used for the 1 minute and the 5 minute time frame also for scalping, but I use it on the 3 minute time frame as you get a very good, target, and you can use it for scalping also. I will show you that also. And this can be used on Forex, crypto, and stocks, and any pair which is tradable on the MT4 market. I will show you more tricks how you can copy the trades from the MT4 into the MT5, and how you can use the MT4 or MT5 terminal on your phone or on your tablet, whatever it is. Since I know a lot of you do not have PCs or a laptop or a dedicated system for trading, so I'll be covering all that in the future. And now just look at the signals. You can pause the video at any time and look at the signal that you're at your screen, and just pause the screen and pause the video and like analyze it for yourself, because I will not like pause it because it will make the video quite long, and I don't want you guys to, like buzz off. So as you can see, 1 minute. So these are the signals in the 15-minute time frame, and then let's check out AUD USD on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, so it's there's an imbalance over here. So however, the market will correct that as it is correcting. So as you can see, the signals are quite good on the 1 minute time frame as well. So 1 second. Yeah. So you can just pause the video and look at the signals. So if you guys really think that this is worth it, you can try it out by yourself. And if anyone is interested in the indicator, they can reach out to me on my Telegram. I have left the link in my description. You can check it out. And I'll be sharing, signals every day in my Telegram group. I'll also be sharing the trades the trades which have been indicated by the indicator in the Telegram group. So if you are, excited in looking at those trades, or if you want to, forward test this indicator, you can join the Telegram. And however, I'll be sharing more trading view indicator strategies in future also. So this is just a private indicator, but I'll be sharing free indicators on my channel also. And I'll bring the best of the best indicator strategies. It's not something I will just spam my YouTube channel with. The strategies will be really good, and only those strategies which I have personally used, as I've used a lot of strategies. And I have noticed one thing, that all strategies do work. It's just based on you know how you trade using that strategy, and how you think what the market is trying to tell you. Then every strategy is profitable. So this is the indicator on the 1 minute time frame. This is GBP USD on the 1 hour time frame. As you can see, the signals here are also very nice and quite perfect, I would say. But I know, like, no indicator is 100% profitable, but I'll just show you what I can. And if you're interested, you can buy this indicator. You can reach to me on Telegram. Uh, and I might also do a giveaway of this indicator in future. So if you want to participate in the giveaway, please let me know in the comments. And that's it. If you like this content, please like the video and share this video, and also subscribe to the channel for more indicator strategies and more private indicators like these. Thank you.